India is reaching new heights of development, shining among the world's fastest growing economies. Uttarakhand plays a vital role in this journey. Known for its spirituality, natural beauty, and sacred rivers, the state has now emerged as a rapidly growing economic hub. With thriving industries in automobiles, pharmaceuticals, agriculture, IT, tourism, and education, Uttarakhand is setting new benchmarks for growth. The state's economic output has surged to Rs 2.87 lakh crore, while its per capita income stands at Rs 2.67 lakh, strong indicators of its remarkable progress and investment potential. Uttarakhand has implemented investor-friendly and transparent policies, making it a prime investment destination. Its proximity to Delhi NCR further enhances its appeal. Over the past 2 decades, the state has witnessed steady industrial growth, significantly expanding employment opportunities in the manufacturing sector. With over 10,000 acres of industrial land available, Uttarakhand continues to attract major investments. The state has secured a prominent position in the automobile sector. Haridwar is home to the world's largest two-wheeler manufacturing plant of Hero Motors, a testament to Uttarakhand's industrial achievements. Additionally, the state contributes over 10% to India's total auto parts production. The pharmaceutical sector is also flourishing, with Uttarakhand accounting for 22% of country's generic drug production. With more than 370 manufacturing and supporting units, the state's fertile land and favorable climate making it an ideal hub for the industry.
सरकार की जो नीति हैं उसके कारण जो सब्सिडीज़ मिली थी, जो छूट मिली थी, उसके कारण यहाँ बहुत सबसे ज़्यादा इंडस्ट्रीज़ फार्मा की आई थी। और आज की डेट में मुझे ये कहते हुए गर्व होता है कि सबसे ज़्यादा एक्सपोर्ट और सबसे ज़्यादा दवाइयों का निर्माण जो है उत्तराखंड में हो रहा है।
The agriculture sector in Uttarakhand is also experiencing consistent growth. The state has 4 major agroclimate zones that support the cultivation of a variety of crops. The demand for Uttarakhand's organic products is rising rapidly in both domestic and international markets. Uttarakhand's cool climate, secure environment, and abundant natural resources making it an ideal location for data centers and IT companies. The state's IT policy offers special incentives for emerging technologies. With an annual growth rate of 13% in IT exports, Uttarakhand is making rapid strides in the technology sector.
देख रहा हूँ वो सारे इंग्रेडिएंट्स जो चाहिए फॉर देहरादून टू बिकम एन IT हब, वो सारी चीज़ें यहाँ पर मौजूद हैं. You are getting the right infrastructure, you have the right connectivity, you have the right talent pool, and you have the right resources, and foremost, the willingness of the government to make it a IT hub is there.
The Uttarakhand government is actively promoting micro, small and medium enterprises through various initiatives including affordable loans, technical training and export incentives. Many small entrepreneurs have benefited from these initiatives.
गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से हमें बड़ी फैसिलिटीज़ मिली. उन फैसिलिटीज़ में जैसे हमने अपना DIC में रजिस्ट्रेशन करवाया, PNB बैंक ने हमें बड़ी हेल्प की. गवर्नमेंट की बड़ी फैसिलिटीज़ होने की वजह से हमें कभी कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं आई.
जो हमारे छोटे निवेशक होते हैं जो कि 50 करोड़ से कम का इन्वेस्टमेंट करते हैं, जो कि जिन्हें हम MSME कंसिडर करते हैं, माइक्रो स्मॉल एंड मीडियम एंटरप्राइजेज इन्हें कहा जाता है, उनके लिए हमने 2023 में MSME पॉलिसी लाई. अब इस पॉलिसी के अंतर्गत उन्हें 8 अलग अलग तरह की सब्सिडीज़ मिलती है. उन्हें इंटरेस्ट पे भी सब्सिडी है, कैपिटल सब्सिडी है, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी ड्यूटी पे एग्जेम्पशन है और भी अनेक तरीके की सब्सिडीज़ उनको मिलती है.
To simplify the investment process, Uttarakhand has implemented a single window system, ensuring that all necessary approvals are accessible on a single platform. Additionally, a dedicated investment center supports investors at every stage of their projects, making the process seamless and efficient. To further boost investment, the Uttarakhand Investor Summit 2023 was organized, attracting investors from across the country and abroad. This platform enabled the government to showcase its policies and initiatives, paving the way for the state's economic growth.
एक निवेशक को अच्छा बिजनेस एटमॉस्फेयर, अच्छी कानून व्यवस्था, इन्वेस्टमेंट फ्रेंडली नीतियां और बेहतर कनेक्टिविटी तो चाहिए ही, साथ में सबसे महत्वपूर्ण अच्छा स्वास्थ्य और अच्छी आबो हवा भी है। और हमारा राज्य आपके इन्वेस्टमेंट के सारे मापदंडों को पूरा करता है।
Uttarakhand is not only a thriving industrial hub today, but also holds immense potential for the future. With a skilled workforce, investor-friendly policies, and rapidly developing modern infrastructure, the state is on a path to stability and prosperity. In the coming years, Uttarakhand is poised to become a leading global investment destination.
सामर्थ्य से भरी ये देवभूमि निश्चित रूप से आपके लिए निवेश के बहुत सारे द्वार खोलने जा रही है। आज भारत विकास भी और विरासत भी जिस मंत्र के साथ आगे बढ़ रहा है, उत्तराखंड उसका प्रखर उदाहरण है।
Uttarakhand's continuous development is driven by strong policies and government initiatives, making it one of the most attractive and ideal investment destinations in the country.